Good evening, sir. My name is R. Santosh Kumar Reddy, and my roll number is 234G1A33F2, and I'm from CSMC section. The video presentation outline is introduction, definition, and example problems. And my topic is problem based on sampling distributions and confidence intervals. A sample distribution is a probability distribution of a sample statistic based on repeated samples from a population. Key points: law of large numbers, central limit theorem, standard error. And this is the question. A random sample of 10 boys had the following IQs: 70, 120, 110, 101, 88, 83, 95, 98, 107, and 100. Do these data support the assumption of population mean IQ of 100? Calculate reasonable range in which most of the IQ values of samples can be samples of 10 boys be like. And the first step for the solution is step 1, calculating sample mean. The formula is x bar equal to summation of xi by n. The n is n equals to 10, which is the sample size, and x bar is calculated, which is 97.2. The step 2, calculation the sample standard deviation. The standard deviation value is square root of summation of xi minus x bar whole square by n minus 1 by n minus 1. The sample mean is 97.2 and the standard deviation is 14.27. Step 3, answering the questions. The first question is, do these data support the assumption of a population mean IQ of 100? To test whether the sample supports a population mean IQ of 100, we perform one sample t test. T equals to x bar minus mu by s by square root of n, where mu equals to 100, s is equals to standard deviation 14.27, n is sample size 10. We will compute the t value and compare it with the critical value of 90% confidence level for a two-tailed test. The calculated t statistics is 0.62. The critical t values for a 95% confidence level with 9 degrees of freedom is plus or minus 2.26. The p value is 0.55. Since t star greater than t critical and the p value is greater than 0.05, we fail to reject the null hypothesis. This means that the sample data does not provide strong evidence against the assumption that the population mean IQ is 100. The population mean IQ commonly assumed to be 100. The population standard deviation commonly assumed to be 15. Sample size is equal to 10. Assuming a normal distribution and using the central limit theorem, the standard error of the mean is the formula is sigma by square root of n, which is 4.74. Now, for a reasonable range, we usually use 95% confidence interval, which is mean plus or minus 2 into standard error of the mean. So, 100 plus or minus 2 into 4.74 is 100 plus or minus 9.48. The reasonable range is approximately from 90.5 to 109.5. Thank you.